Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Bluevine with Lendio. Integrating Bluevine with Lendio allows your business banking, loans, and payments to synchronize automatically, which of course is going to help you to manage cash flows and financial tracking more efficiently. Let's get into it. The first step is to log into Lendio and navigate to Integrations, Connected Accounts. There you're going to select Add Accounts and then choose Bluevine. Now just sign into your Bluevine accounts and authorize Bluevine to access account balances, transactions, and loan data. Select the specific accounts to synchronize if multiple accounts are available and allow transactions and balances to import. Next, categorize income, expenses, and loan payments as needed and confirm that ongoing updates synchronize automatically. Once connected, Bluevine data flows directly into Lendio, giving you a comprehensive view of banking, loans, and payments for much easier financial management. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.